Hi guys, welcome back, and tonight for you I'm going to pick open this Brinks padlock, kindly sent to me from Pickme1977. Beautiful looking Brinks. He did send me two, here's one and here's, I believe, the older style one. I just love the motif on this one, and it's a nice and shiny one. Long shackle, locked up, and let's try and get this thing picked. No key for this one, but we don't need a key, he says. Right, let's just get into position. Right tension, Peterson pick, short hook, feeling the lock, and away we go. Little click at the back. I think it does have spools in this one. There's my phone again, as per usual. Nice counter rotation, he says. Might be the pick just twisting, pick tension just twisting a little bit in the lock there. See if I can get a bit of counter. Just show you, it has got spools in it. Now it is open. So there you go, another nice quick pick, but still a fun one to unlock. So thanks again, Pick Me, and thanks for watching guys. Pickbeard out.